Want to know how to see your output panel or your problem panel in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can see it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Cursor AI on your website, or you can just simply open up the application itself. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. Make sure you are on the main menu, or you have created any file, or you are in an open file. So first off, you need to just open up your panel. So what you need to do is you can just simply select view and open up your panel right here, or you can just simply type in Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. So once you're done, your panel should open up by default, and it's this right here. So in order to see your output or problems, here you should be seeing your output and your problem. So you can simply select any one of these two. So once you've selected that, it should show that your output and your terminal according to your debugging, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.